Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hut8, Care1, and Cryptology Asset Group. Okay, let's jump right into it. Wow, what a week. We have a new all-time high, close to $56,000. We are right now at 55,000, close to 7% in green. Also, Ethereum has a new all-time high. We are very close to $2,000. So I think we will break this at the weekend or maybe next week. Also, Polkadot a new all-time high above $34. Hive Blockchain new all-time high right now 11%. Hut8 like 14%. So there are now some people taking profits before the weekend, but I think they will FOMO back on Monday. Then we have Bitfarms 11%, Argo Blockchain, close to zero here. So Argo had a huge week. Now it's a little bit consolidating. Riot Blockchain 13%. We have Mara with 6%, Galaxy minus 2%. Yeah, then we have some other stocks here. Kryptonite 1, KR1 here in Germany minus 9, but in the US plus 11%. So this stock was doing very good this week. Every day up. The candles are all red, but you can see it's a steep increase here. So that was a very good investment for me. And then we have Cryptology Asset Group, my new investment here, up 11%. DMG Blockchain 34%. So they are doing very good right now. I have it not in my portfolio. Also Digihost 31%, very nice. And yes, wow. And what else do we have here? We have Codebase Ventures, again 39% in green. So yeah, overall a very good week. So let's jump to the news. I missed some news this week because it was a lot of action. Sometimes I'm a little bit more a social media manager than an analyst. But okay, that's my job right now. Not my full-time job, but that's my hobby right now. But let's jump right into the news about DMG Blockchain. So on February 16th, they released this news here. And yes, they say they want to have 1 exahash within the first half of 2021, or they want to prepare the facility to have 1 exahash there. So there's nothing disclosed right now. And they say for the second half of 2021, they want to have 2 exahash with the 60 megawatts of mining power here. So that sounds very nice. As again, there's nothing disclosed here, but in anticipation of the retrofitting timelines, DMG is currently in discussion with leading Bitcoin mining equipment manufacturers for a purchase order that would give DMG the right to purchase in stages a minimum of 1 exahash of the newest generation of mining equipment specific to immersion cooling. Various manufacturing companies are developing specific immersion cooling Bitcoin miners, which DMG has been reviewing for the optimal purchase for its retrofitting. So very interesting here. So they want to integrate this immersion cooling for this mining equipment. What I know is that Bitfury has this immersion cooling and these specific miners for this. So maybe there's a cooperation plan there. It's just speculation right now. So that sounds very nice. And I think that's why DMG is up. So the strategy for DMG is improving fast. Nothing disclosed right now. But maybe we can expect some big announcements here soon. So then we have ebang. This is a hardware manufacturer here, a Chinese hardware manufacturer. Where is it? Yes, I'm right now not invested in the hardware manufacturers, but I'm thinking about to integrate one of these into my portfolio because I have none right now. They're right now ebang and Canaan. I think Canaan is crazy up today, like 24%. But here are some news from ebang. The ticker is EBON here. And yes, they had a public offering here with 70 million for this company. And what's interesting, the company intends to use the net proceeds from the offering primarily for research, development, and production, and sales of ASICs and equipment related to cryptocurrencies, expansion of its cryptocurrency mining business, as well as establishment and operation of cryptocurrency mining farms. So when it's a pure hardware manufacturer, I'm not that interested because the hardware manufacturers are not the top of the food chain because they are the chip manufacturers. and they have to pay a lot for the chips to build their ASICs, and they can sell them expensive, but first they have to pay a lot for the chips. And yeah, it's very limited right now to get the chips. So, but this company here, ebang, they wants to establish its own mining farms. So there are no details, so I will wait a little bit. But yeah, if you build your own miners and you mine your own Bitcoin, again, I always say the real value is in Bitcoin, so that's why you need Bitcoin holdings. And I think that's why right now all the miners I'm invested, they are hodling Bitcoins, because they understand it right now that it's very important to hodl these Bitcoins because the value is in Bitcoin, and you get this huge revaluation in this bull cycle here when you hold your Bitcoins. So I think that's what ebang here is seeing, and what they want to do there. So I will keep an eye on this, and yeah, maybe I will do an investment here. But they are not very cheap right now. It's more than 1.5 billion on the Nasdaq, so this is not cheap. Okay, guys. Yeah. Then we have some news from Digihost here. Digihost completes 4 million non-brokered private placement and completes debt settlement. So they issued some shares here, close to 5 million common shares. 81 cents per share. So this is a huge discount right now because the stock trades above 3 Canadian dollars or something like this. So I mean, okay, this is 1 week old or so. Yeah, but this is a huge discount right now. I'm not so happy with this. But okay, yeah, and the proceeds of the offering combined with Digihost's existing capital resources will be used by the company to acquire the latest generation miners, increase capacity, reduce energy costs, and for general working capital purposes. So what's very important here, they want to buy latest generation miners, so they want to increase their mining capacity. I mean, January was very good for them. They mined like 33 Bitcoins, and they have now a hodl excellence of 184 Bitcoins. So this is very nice. A very small cap miner right now, but it's growing, and yeah, I think I will integrate them into my portfolio soon. Okay, let's move on. We have the hash rate here. It's very stable here, nothing crazy, 165 exahash right now. And some people were asking me about the hash, what means exahash. So here you can see 1 hash is 1 kilohash is 1000 hash, megahash 1 million hash, gigahash 1 billion, terahash 1 trillion, and so on. Petahash 1000 trillion, it's 1 quadrillion here. Exahash is 1 quintillion. So yeah, the Bitcoin network per second has 165 quintillion hashes per second. So these are calculations. So this is really a lot. And yeah, if you multiply this with 8,760, multiply this with 3,600, you get the hashes per year. And this is a really crazy number. I think your calculator cannot calculate this. Okay, so let's move on. The next difficulty adjustment. Something is wrong with my computer right now. Sorry for this. Yeah, let's go to the data here first. So wow, the Bitcoin profitability is above 40 cents per day per terahash. So mining is crazy profitable right now, especially Bitcoin mining here. A new all-time high, or not an all-time high, but a new high this year. And it's close to the highs of 2019. Also, Ethereum is doing very good, close to 14 cents per day per megahash. So Hive making a lot of money right now. Address is richer than $1, 31.6 million. So this is also a new all-time high here. And the market cap of Bitcoin is today above $1 billion, $1 trillion the first time. So wow, congratulations here, Bitcoin. This is really a new big emerging asset class. Wow. Okay, so let's move on. So I think it will not work. The difficulty adjustment will be not big. I think 1% today or tomorrow. Yeah, let's check the portfolio here right now. So this week was a very good week for my portfolio. I'm up 57% right now. The month was also very good, 157%. Since December, it's more than 1,000%, and since September, it's 2,500%. So overall, very good right now. KR1 is still very big here in my portfolio. Then I started a position in Mara again. I have Then Cryptology Asset Group, I have HUD-8, this is my biggest position, in my opinion right now the most undervalued miner, which says my model, my BMX model. Then I have Hive Blockchain, Bitfarms. I sold a little bit Bitfarms today, swapped it a little bit into Argo Blockchain. So Argo is increased to 12%. I think yesterday it was 9 or 7%. Yeah, and the goal here, so I'm in Hive, HUD, Bitfarms and Argo. I'm very close to my goals here. So, but I have soon to increase my Mara, my Riot and move back into Galaxy. So this was a move here today into Argo Blockchain from Galaxy. But I will soon move back into Galaxy. Yes, that's what I want to do here. Okay, yeah, let's check the prices the last time here. Yeah, Bitcoin $55,000 US, so this looks very stable right now. Ethereum looks also very good. Yeah, overall a very good day for us, a very good week. Love it. So yeah, there's some profits taken here right now, so that's why the stock's dropping a little bit, but nothing crazy here. Very good for us. Okay guys, I hope you made a lot of money this week. I hope this was good. And yeah, we will see us in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.